Hey guys, welcome to Investify, where we help you grow your wealth through smart investments. Today, we will talk about the current state of AI stocks. We'll be diving into some exciting updates on Palantir and Nvidia, as well as analyzing the recent pullback of certain AI stocks like C3.ai and SOFI. Additionally, we'll be exploring whether it's the right time to invest in Palantir Technologies and their PLTR stock. So sit back, relax, and let's explore the world of AI stocks together. The AI industry has been making headlines recently, with several major players announcing new developments. Palantir Technologies, for example, recently announced a new partnership with the US Army to build an AI-enabled command center. The center will utilize Palantir's Foundry platform to analyze data and provide real-time insights for military decision-making. This news has caused Palantir stocks to rise in recent days, and many investors are optimistic about the company's future growth potential. Nvidia, another major player in the AI industry, recently unveiled their new Grace CPU, which is specifically designed for AI and high-performance computing workloads. The Grace CPU is expected to be a game changer in the industry, providing faster and more efficient processing capabilities for AI applications. Nvidia stock has also seen a boost following this announcement, as many investors are excited about the potential impact of this new technology. However, despite these positive developments, some investors and analysts are concerned that AI is a bubble that is about to burst. Edward Stanley, a Morgan Stanley equity strategist, recently argued that we are indeed in an AI bubble and that these stocks will need to cool off eventually. However, other analysts believe that AI will continue to lead to market rallies going forward. In terms of the individual companies, Nvidia's current share price is at $423, with some bearish analysts predicting a fall to around $368, and more bullish ones predicting a surge up to $767. C3.ai's future forecasts are somewhat flat, leading some to believe that their stock will continue to pull back dramatically. Palantir Technologies, on the other hand, recently announced a new partnership with the US Army and has seen a rise in their stock price in recent days. SOFI Technologies, a fintech company that operates as a digital bank, has also been making waves in the AI industry with their recent acquisitions of Galileo and Technosis. As we all know, artificial intelligence, or AI, is one of the fastest growing sectors in the technology industry, and investors are taking notice. Are you interested in investing in AI stocks? Now let's discuss the current state and future potentials of AI stocks, specifically Nvidia, C3.ai, Palantir Technologies, and SOFI Technologies, from the opinions of the two analysts. According to Edward Stanley, we are in an AI bubble that is about to burst, while Daniel Ives argues that AI could spark a fourth industrial revolution and present a massive $800 billion opportunity for the technology sector over the next decade. Regardless of which side you fall on, there's no denying that AI is a rapidly growing field with a lot of potential. Nvidia is a leading player in the AI industry, with state-of-the-art processors that are the golden standard for AI companies. They already dominate around 95% of the machine learning market. Their technology is used in everything from self-driving cars to data centers, and they continue to innovate and expand their offerings. Before we continue, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and ring that notification bell for more updates. C3.ai is an artificial intelligence company that provides AI solutions to various industries, including oil and gas, healthcare, and manufacturing. While their overall forecast seems flat amidst the AI boom, they continue to attract investors and partnerships due to their innovative approach to AI. Palantir Technologies delivers data mining, data analytics, and AI solutions to both government agencies and commercial enterprises. Their CEO has reported unprecedented demand for their artificial intelligence platform, and Kathy Wood of ARK Invest predicts a four-fold increase in productivity and a tenfold increase in coding productivity due to AI. With expected double-digit revenue growth and quadruple earnings per share by 2024, Palantir is a strong company poised to take advantage of the rapid acceleration of AI. SOFI Technologies is a fintech company that operates as a digital bank. Their easy-to-use website and app, coupled with relatively lower fees, make them stand out from the competition. Customers can access loans, deposits, bank accounts, investments, credit cards, and debit cards all from the SOFI app. With FDIC insurance and the acquisitions of Galileo and Technosis, the company is poised for future growth. SOFI currently trades at $8.91 per share, with bearish analysts valuing the company at $3 and more bullish analysts predicting a climb up to $16 per share. As with Palantir Technologies, we have seen a cooling off in SOFI's share price, making it a potential buying opportunity for long-term investors. In summary, while there are differing opinions on whether AI is a bubble or not, many investors remain optimistic about the future potential of these companies. For long-term investments, it may be worth considering companies like Nvidia and Palantir Technologies while keeping an eye on the potential growth of C3.ai and SOFI Technologies. As AI continues to advance and become more integrated into our daily lives, these companies are well positioned to lead the way in this exciting field. In conclusion, the AI industry is a rapidly growing and exciting sector, and the companies we have discussed, Nvidia, C3.ai, Palantir Technologies, and SOFI Technologies, all have unique value proposition and growth potential. Nvidia's dominance in the graphics processing unit market and their recent unveiling of the Grace CPU make them a strong contender in the AI industry. C3.ai's focus on enterprise AI solutions and partnerships with major companies also make them an attractive option for investors. Palantir Technologies has been making headlines with their recent partnerships with the U.S. Army, and their expected double-digit revenue growth and quadrupled earnings per share by 2024 make them a company to watch. SOFI Technologies' easy-to-use website and app, lower fees, and future profitability also make them a strong player in the fintech industry. As Palantir achieves its fourth consecutive quarter of profitability and becomes eligible to enter the S&P 500, and SOFI becomes profitable at the end of this year, both companies are expected to experience an influx of money. While investors may worry about a falling share price, buying strong companies at a lower price point can be a competitive and profitable strategy. Overall, these companies are well positioned for future growth and success in the AI industry. What are your thoughts on these companies? Share your insights below. That's it for today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and ring that notification bell for more updates here on Investify.